This is a 1964 EH Holden. This is one of our street machine builds. The goal is for it to look like a custom EH, but drive like a modern Commodore. Some of the features that we've modified and handmade here is mount the LS1 engine and do a full custom sheet metal engine bay cover and top lock panel. Log style headers to fit within the engine bay, down to gapping the car with 5mm gaps all around, custom aircon ductwork throughout the car, custom handmade console, custom cup holders. It's running a 9-inch LS1. It's been tunneled throughout to accommodate. There's a full stainless exhaust system throughout, and we put a little bit of extra effort into the exhaust tips just because we wanted to show them off a little bit more. This build's been with us for a couple of years, and it's nearing the end of its life in our fab shop before it moves to our body shop, and we're keen to see it painted.